In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off highlights on Facebook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. If you find that you're being tagged in too many highlights on Facebook, or simply want to tidy up your notifications, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the steps to adjust your settings and turn off those highlights. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser. This can be any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Navigate to the Facebook website by typing in the URL, or simply search for Facebook on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, log into your account using your username and password. After you are logged in, look to the upper right corner of the page. You should see your profile picture there. This is an important spot because we're going to access the settings from here. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and select Settings and Privacy. This option groups together several important settings that you might want to adjust. Once you click on Settings and Privacy, you'll see another drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can control a myriad of settings related to your Facebook account. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look at the left sidebar. You want to find the option labeled Notifications. Click on that. This section is dedicated to all the notifications related to your account, which is exactly what we need to modify. In the Notifications section, look for the option that says Tags. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will open up. This menu contains various settings that pertain to how you're notified about tags, including highlights. Here's a crucial step. You want to turn off the Batch Mentions option. This feature allows people to tag multiple friends at once, which can often lead to you being featured in highlights. Simply toggle this option off. With this change, you won't be tagged by others in highlights anymore. Now that you've made that adjustment, let's go back to the home page to ensure everything is set. To do this, click on the Facebook logo located at the top left corner of the page. This will return you to your news feed, where you can continue to scroll through your posts without those pesky highlights popping up. But wait, there's another method you might find helpful. Say you're scrolling through your timeline and see a highlight that you'd prefer not to see. In that case, find the three dots on the corner of that particular highlight. Give those three dots a click. This will open another drop-down menu. From the options presented in this menu, select Hide. By choosing this option, that specific highlight will be removed from your view, making your browsing experience much more enjoyable. So just to recap, you first accessed Facebook and then navigated through your profile settings to adjust notification preferences. You turned off batch mentions to prevent unwanted tagging in highlights. And finally, you learned how to hide highlights directly from your feed if they still pop up. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully turn off highlights on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using social media. Thanks for